I'm the VP of Information Technology here at Allredi. And Allredi is the largest industrial supplier of blasting equipment, abrasive media, and the associated supplies for that. So when you think of large items like oil and gas tanks, bridges, even submarines, things that tend to rust, they tend to look to us for our products and offerings. So we doubled in size about a year and a half ago. We merged with another company. We had two disparate ERP systems and then decided to pick Sage X3 and then migrated to it at the end of 2019. We really wanted someone to hold our hand and be the expert and tell us what's best in class and through their experience, what had they seen work and not work. And that's when we started looking for a partner in the US and worldwide that could really meet our needs. So we interviewed a handful of them and then ran across this small company called Anixion. They go deep and wide with their expertise with X3 because that's all they support is Sage X3. We did what, in terms of what Anixion called a health check. They came on board for it was about a 2-week effort to really look at all of our systems that we had and how we configured them in Sage, and came back with an extremely comprehensive report on, I like to call it good, the bad, the ugly, right? So here's what you're doing good, here's what you might want to look at, here's some things you may want to fix right away. And then after they did that, that led us to want to bring them on as a partner. The other very nice thing that Anixion has is very simple but robust processes. So when you go to make a change, there's a certain document that we all have to fill out. We do numerous reviews of it, and then the development or configuration takes place on whatever we might be working on. We put it into test and then put it into production. So really working as a team. They're in the UK, of course, and we're based out of Houston, Texas, so there's a 6-hour difference. So in fact, there's some positive things that led from it. For instance, we're coming in at 8 a.m. That's 1 or 2 in their afternoon. They're completing work for us that we may have talked about the day before. So there's nothing that has shown to me that that's a deal breaker for us. In fact, we're wanting to increase our work with Anixion just because we really enjoy their company and what they bring to the table. They have project managers, but first and foremost, their project managers might be PMI certified, but they also know Sage inside and out. So I don't have to bridge that gap between what I want done on my project to technically what happens. Their project managers do it in a very seamless manner, which you don't always get. And that's another piece of the puzzle that I didn't know we would be getting that, but it's very appreciative. It works out very well for us. We really understand the system now. It's bulletproof, knock on wood, and it's taking us to the next level.